enlargement. So here we have to mention the scale factor mostly. So what we have to mention is the object is enlarged by a scale factor. So we have to mention the scale factor to give the image. Now here it's also a good idea to mention the center, and this time the center will not be the origin. The center would be something different. If you do not mention the center, that is also alright, but if it is possible, try to mention the center. So the object is enlarged about this center by a scale factor to give the image. So this is the picture that is given. You see an object A and you see the image A prime, and obviously one is bigger than the other. Now, how do you know by how much is the other one bigger? Obviously it's going to be an enlargement. Straightforward. Enlargement is the easiest to spot. If the image is larger, one is larger than the other, it's an enlargement. So the first thing you have to find is the scale factor. So you take the side here. So you see the side of the image, two boxes over here, and this is one box. And by that, it would be pretty obvious how it is working. So scale, you can also take a scale and measure. That is, this is length divided by this length, and then you'll know the scale factor. So here, the scale factor is 2. So we have a scale factor of 2. If the scale factor was more, it would be larger. If it was 3, it would be even larger. Now, when you describe it, you say the object, the triangle A is enlarged by a scale factor of 2 to give the image A prime. It's a good idea to also mention the center of enlargement. In center of enlargement, what you do, you join all the points and it would be towards here, towards this side. So you project it. So you project these lines and they will meet at a point, and that point is the center of enlargement. So here the center of enlargement is 0, 0. But the center of enlargement does not have to be the origin all the time. The center of enlargement could be here. If you see the movement, this is how it is changing. If the center of enlargement was here, it would look like this. So what you do project it. So as you join it with your ruler, you will find out the center of enlargement. Now the center of enlargement plays an important factor whether the scale factor is positive or negative. Scale factor is negative. So let me remove the object somewhere so that you can observe it like this. Okay. So here. Now see, this is also twice as large. It is pretty observable, but the center of enlargement is between the object and the image. When the center of enlargement is between the object and image, you have to write down the scale factor as negative. That's the idea. So here you project it in this direction. You join this and you will see that they're between the object and the image, and that will give us the center of enlargement. This time it is -2, 2. So that's the difference. If it is a negative scale factor, it doesn't mean it is smaller. It just means the center of enlargement is between them. So the description would be the object triangle A is enlarged with center of enlargement -2, 2 with a scale factor of 2. How do you find the scale factor? Either take a ruler or just count the boxes. This is 2 divided by this is 1. So that's all. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So that's the scale factor. So if I, again, let me show you, if I make this positive 2, so it's on the same side. It's going to be on the same side. So this is how the enlargement works.